morning, guys, and welcome to episode 2 of the Ultimate Off-Road Field Trip. We made it through yesterday. Yesterday was kind of an easy day. I think today is going to be a little tougher. We were a little bummed because we didn't think we were going to get to hang out with Holly again, but guess what? We're with Holly today again. So should be a great day. We should learn a lot. Give this one some more confidence for our trip out west. So with that being said, what do they need to do?
Stay tuned.
Guys, I had to show off this 4Runner. First off, because it's amazing, but secondly, because it was built in our hometown of Lenoir, North Carolina by Mudmans. This thing is sick. Marlon from Off-Road and Chill took a spill yesterday. You can see his hood. Definitely paid the price for it. Driver tire on that rock. There you go.
Awesome. Just let me know when you guys are up that little humpy bump. Okay. Alright, looks like we've caught up with a group in front of us. I'm gonna go see what's happening. Sounds good. We'll work. 10-4. Did we catch up with them because we're too rad? We haven't stopped to talk enough. That's on the way up the spot.
as soon as she got there. When you pump, that's right.
I guess I'm afraid I'll land too hard on that front axle.
It's the only way to get up there. So. You got this, baby. Well, look at the damage later. Guys, I wish we could tell you. So, turn to the
That's what I
passenger.
did that time.
Okay.
When I started to...
Hey, tell Scooby to get a video of this.
Hey, Scooby, skip your camera out here. She's trying. I'm like holding on to the edge here. No, I'm like, okay, you can just go now. I'm out. Hi.
Great!
Yeah, it's a good place to be. He's like, not so great.
I'm like, oh, there it is. There it is.
I said, are we okay? Are we okay? He goes, well, until we're not. It's all fine.
Please
So-
don't squish me.
So, guys, that's the ground. That's Holly.
Hi. Yeah.
So,
this is,
A peculiar little position that we're in
this
here.
is, yeah, it's nice. You know, I feel comfy.
I can see you're like
Don't say because I'm not buckled. Well, because I get out with the camera, Holly. I get out with the camera,
wow,
Holly.
I get out with the camera.
Hey, but look, and I bought one of these just so that the buzzer wouldn't buzz, so that I could be unbuckled.
It's even got more unsafe. Yeah.
So, hey, YouTube, this little guy.
No,
Don't
not
do that,
this little
YouTube.
guy.
No, don't do that, YouTube. Holly says no.
No.
Not
Nine.
safe.
Yet. How many other languages? Didn't he do that in Scotland? In Scottish.
Nice. That's good.
Aye,
I'm gonna-
didn't he do
I'm gonna
it?
play that.
Hey, here's the
Aye,
cool
you
thing
need to
is
buckle
that,
up, right?
yeah, both of the two doors got that curve and backed up. I just rode the bitch on out. That's why we're
I
this
think we
way.
broke something in the rear, but it's fine. Totally fine.
It's okay. My front keeps like going in and out of deciding whether it wants to be locked or not. I'm like,
Hey.
cool.
Well, now
do
she's
that.
now because of hanging out with you guys for all of 6 hours. She's on Facebook looking for an XJ. She wants some she can just beat the shit out of.
Beat that off.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have so much fun. Get harnesses. Get a harness bar
Well, I want a roll cage.
and a roll cage.
Yeah, that's what I told him. I was like,
Oh, you're in so
We
much
bought-
trouble.
yeah,
I
we
said the
bought-
number one thing. I said I want to lift. I said, but the number one thing I want to get a roll cage in that bitch.
Ooh, yeah.
She wants to be able to send it and not worry.
No worry.
Yep.
That and harnesses. Honestly, harnesses.
Yeah, for sure.
That's the game
Like,
changer.
yeah, because I'll go in. I'll sit in some Jeeps with people if they're nervous by doing something, and it'll be a seatbelt, and I'm like,
What am I supposed to do with this? I'm holding on to it.
Good to know. Good to
is
know.
it locked? Is it locked?
Well, this thing
It's
definitely
locked.
locks because there's been multiple times this weekend that I'm like, let go, please. It's
Yeah.
Like right now, it's locked like hell.
We bought helmets for this event. We thought that the
Black
thing
Mountain
said you had to have
is-
helmets. Now we didn't buy axle helmets because they weren't going to get here in time. So we bought little Fox helmets. I think they're made for skateboarding and shit, but they look the same. So they were $30
If they
Holly.
look the same, they're the same.
Yeah, they're the same.
All right, I think we're all
So,
caught
all
up.
right. Well, thanks for coming to visit us in our
In our-
situation.
It's okay. You're welcome.
So guys, I'll even the phone out. So there's the phone level, and you can see our
Broken, so they're trying to get up a hill.
we're a little off. Babe, how do you feel?
Hi, way down there.
That's
like,
crazy.
Hey, you know what the greatest part is?
What?
My foot has been on the brake the whole time.
Nice.
This is, yeah, super comfy.
Yeah,
Super comfy.
super nice. Thanks, Holly. For making us feel safer.
Hello.
What's up?
Nothing?
Does this look weird?
Yes.
I feel like it does.
That didn't sound good.
It was just tire scrubbing.
Okay.
Just waiting for the path to clear at the top.
Always the hills for the fat guys. Not black flats. Ollie, as soon as you start spinning, your tires get caked up, so you'll honestly want to back up a little bit, roll into it to get it, and as soon as your front tires are on it, bump it. That's the only, otherwise you're just spinning. Feel it out if you want to, but you're just caking up the tires. See? You need momentum to get your front up. Hold on for a second, let that go by. Get all that oil in the back of your car real quick. Just, if you want to try it again, just don't put your front tires down, or you do it the same way again where you completely run into it.
Okay.
Like you either back up as much as you can without losing your front tires, or you back up all the way and give it some run, like get some run up. So we've got the Flex Rocks and Rollovers guys up top, off-road and chills up top. To watch Holly go up this pretty gnarly, I don't even know what to call it. It looks flat on camera, but it's not how it is in real life.
Given you can see her logo and her spider shade, you know, otherwise.
Yeah. So that should tell you something. You can see the logo on the top.